Okay, student, this is the 19th part of functions. So important part, because today I am going to explain new type of functions called composite functions, or sometimes called chained functions. Okay, first of all I want to introduce the concept by using one example problem, students. For example, g of x is a function with a rule sum 2x plus 1. F of x is another new function with a rule x square. Okay. So, what I can say, this is a function. So, x is input. The rule is 2x plus 1. Output is y. If x is 1, under this rule your y is what? 3. If input is 0, under this rule your output is 1. Okay, function means just like that. This is a machine, something you are inserting, something you are getting output. What condition this machine is working? Under this rule this machine is working. Name of this machine is given by G machine. Okay. G machine output is depend upon input, because G machine rule is 2x plus 1. Okay, students. So, your input generally denoted by a variable x and output generally denoted by y for any function. They are not fixed. You can take L is input and K is output, that also. But in general, we take x as input and y as output. Your input is 1. What happened? Your output is 3. Your input is 0. Your output is 1. Okay, this is about a function g. Another mission is there here with another color. I will another mission. I can say f mission. This mission also work under this rule. Your input is x, your output is y here. Okay. So input is taken as 1, your output is 1. Your input is taken as 0, your output is 0. So how this mission is working? According to this rule, the machine is working. Understood? So your input is 1, output is 1. But same input no, here, that same 1, output is 1. This 1, output is 3. Why? Because the rules are same. Okay, this machine is working under this rule, this machine is working under this rule. Okay. Now composite function means we want to mix these two machines. We want to connect these two machines. This is input, this is output. Now, this output is connected as input. This output is just like this is a pipe, just like a pipe. Okay. This input pipe, this output pipe. This input pipe is output pipe. This output pipe of first function is connected with input pipe of second function. So insert 1 on here, put 1, drop 1. What happened to output? What happened to output? In previous example, if 1 is dropped, output is 3. Here same 1 is dropped in this function, output is 1. But what happened here? If 1 is dropped in this chamber, okay, what will get out? 3. That 3 becomes input for this function. So output is 3 square, 9 is output. Understood? 1 is input, no, 9 is output. According to which function? According to which mission? So a combination of these two missions. Understood? Combination of these two missions. That is called composite mission. That is called composition. We composite two missions. That is called composite mission. Understood? If your input is 0, your input is 0. If 0 is inserted in this mission, what is output actually? 1. According to this mission alone. If 0 is inserted in this mission, output is 0. Okay. If input is 0 is inserted in this mission, after composition of these two missions, 0 gives 1. This 1 becomes input for this. Output is again 1. What happened to 1 gives 9, 0 gives 1. Okay, what is the mission here? What is the mission here? What rule mission is working? We need to find what mission is this mission is working. That should find. That is later. What do you call this mission? This mission is called composition of these two missions. Students. So just I explained mission language, but what I can say in function language, this f function, this g function, the new function is composite function of f and g, not g and f. Second to first you need to read. How to why to read I will explain later. Okay, what you call this new function means I can say this new function is f and g function, f and g function, fg function I can say. Okay, mathematically f circle g will write. I will tell later why you are writing in this way. Okay, so what you call this Nana, this new mission is called composite mission. So today's concept is how to find composite function. When composite function define one thing, next that if two different functions are given with the different rules, what is the common rule for composite function, what is the rule followed by composite function, that should find Nana. Okay, and composite function is not a commutative y, composite function will satisfy associative y and problems based on this concept. Okay, so composite function are chained functions. Okay, listen students, interesting thing. Yeah, listen. F maps A to B is a function. Okay, just I want a Venn diagram for that. This is A, this is B. X is element in X, its output, or it you should pair with, for example, Y. Then I can say Y is the image of X. I can say Y is equal to f of X. Okay, new function G is a new function of B to C, new function B to C. A to B, B to C, observe Nana, A to B and B to C. Okay, is a function. So this is B, this is C. Some L is input, automatic corresponding output is G of L, because G is a function of B to C. Now this set is B, this set is B. No, I want to mix these two. I will write here just C, and I will write like this G. Okay, what happened? F is function from A to B, G is function from B to C, B to C. Okay, yeah, Y is paired with Z, for example. How can I write what is Y? Y is the image of X with respect to F. How can I write Y equal to f of X? Next, what is Z, Nana? Z is the image of Y with respect to G. How can you write, Nana? Z equal to, what is that? G of Y. Okay, so important thing, students, sometimes Z may be the image of X also. Just now I explained, through two machines are mixed. One is inserted in first machine, automatically 9 you got output from the second machine. How? Directly we combine these two. Here also F is function from A to B, G is function from B to B. There exists a new function from A to C. We want to identify what is the new function from A to C. That only called composite function of F and G. Okay, so through this concept I can find what is that. Why we want to find what under rule Z is the image of X, Y is the image of X under this function, Z is the image of Y under this function, Z may be the image of X under new function. That should find. Understood? Z is the image of X under new function. So that arrow, red colored arrow, what is the rule, what is the name of the function should identify. So that's why what I am doing here, students, listen. So I want to take this Z equal to G of Y. Z equal to, instead of Y, what I can write here? What I can write? G of f of X I can write. Observe here, student. Observe here what it shows. Just like Z equal to K of X. Just like. Understood? Instead of this I wrote K of X. Okay. Just like, what I can say? Z is the image of X under this new function. Z is the image of under the new function. What is new function? F after bracket k. Sorry, g after bracket f function. G bracket f function. So symbolically this can be written as for mathematical convenience. This can be written as z equal to g circle f of x. Mathematical convenience, and this is important notation. So what I can say here, z is the image of x. Under this new function, I will write z is the image of image of x with respect to new function g circle f. Understood? G circle f. So what happened? F is from a to b and g is from b to c. New function exists from a to c. It's a to c only. New function exists from a to c because z is image of x. No, z is image of x. Z is in c and x is in a. What is the meaning of that? This is a new function from a to c. The new function is called g circle f. I will write here g circle f. Okay. Understood? So when g circle f is will define, when f should define, when f is said to be function, every element of a should be used up only once something. When g is said to be a function, every element of b should use it up only once. So you want new function from a to c, no? What that? Every element of a should be used up and each element of a should be paired with c. So when g circle f means the range of the f function should be a part of domain of g function. Should is important, Nana. When g circle f exists, g circle f first, Nana, f first, see here in bracket f. But you know how to open brackets, no? In mathematics, you know how to open first small bracket after a bigger bracket, like that after square bracket. So into inside to outside, no, you need to open brackets. Like here also, inside function to outside function. First f function, after that g function. So that's why what I can say, g circle f function is f to g, not g to f. F to g you can say, f to g. First f, next g. Okay. What I am trying to explain here, students, listen. The new function g circle f is exist. If this exists, when this is exist means the range of f is nothing but a part of domain of g. Then only g circle f exists. This g circle f is a new function from a to c. Okay, I will write now. I will write in next page what I can write. So new function from a to c exists if range of f is a part of domain of g. Means what happened? Range of f is subset of domain of g. Then only exists new function from a to c. So what I can write symbolically, g circle f maps a to c. Okay. So another words, what I can say, okay, this is function. What is the rule? What is the rule means this is the rule. So x should paired with z, under this function. So that's why what I can write, z equal to g circle f of x, or another word, g circle f of what is that? X only. F of x can be written as g box f of x. This is important notation. How to open circle means in this way you can open circle. G circle f of x means g of f of x. You can read as g of f of x. Okay, for this new function, first we need to perform f, then after g. Okay, so this new function is from a to c. When this new function exists, when this new function exists means the range of f should be a part of domain of g. For example, k circle L, new function k circle L. When this define, the range of L should be a part of domain of k, then only exist. First L, next k. First L, next k. Just like here L, here k. Okay. So this is important, students. This is called composite of f and g. This function is called composite of f and g. F first, next g. This function G circle F is called composite of F and G, F and G, F first, no, F and G. Okay. So this notation is very, very important. Okay. Now I want to explain things through an example, Nana. If f of x is equal to 3x plus 1, g of x is equal to 7x plus 2. Okay. Find G circle f of 3. What is the meaning of this? What is the image of 3 under this new function? How to find new function? First of all, you need to find rule followed by new function. This is the rule followed by this function alone. This is the rule followed by this function alone. Previously I explained, one mission followed this rule, second mission followed this rule. After combining those two missions, they should follow a new rule, not these two. We should find that new rule. According to that new rule only you can find what is the output if 3 is the input. Okay. So that's why first of all I want to find G circle f of x should find. That is called rule followed by G circle f. X is input, what is the output should find. Okay. If x is input, what is the output? I can say 3x plus 1 is the output for this function. X is input, what is the output for this function? I can say 7x plus 2. For x is input, what is the new output for a new function G circle? That should find. According to definition, I can write G of f of x. G instead of f of x, I can write 3x plus 1. Just like this is looking just like G of k, Nana. Think like that. This is just looking just G of k. What is G of k? G of k. G of x means this. G of k means instead of x you write k. 7k plus 2. I can say 7k plus 2. Like that. G of k means 7 times of k plus 2. K means what here? 3x plus 1. What happened on 21x plus 7 plus 2. So what happened? 21x plus 9. So this is the new rule for new function, Nana. New rule for new function, that is G circle f function. Understood? This is the 1 minute. This is the rule for this function. This is the rule for this function. So this is the rule for new function. Now I can find G circle f of 3. Now I can find what is that? 21 into 3 plus 9. 3 plus 6 plus 9, that is equal to 272. So image of 3 is 72 under the new function, that is G circle f function. Okay, students? Okay. Important. If f map R to R defined by f of x equal to 2x, f map R to R defined by G of x equal to 3x plus 1. Okay. Next, interesting, is f circle G equal to G circle f? Question mark. Interesting, super question. F circle G equal G circle f means indirectly asking composite functions will satisfy commutative property or not. Now I want cross check. This is new function, no? Let it be k function. This is say L function. Now I want check k function equal to L function or not. What the definition of equality of two functions, Nana? Two functions are said to be equal if they are defined on the same domain and same codomain and same rule. Everything should equal, no? Domain, codomain, range, and with the same rule. Domain, codomain, rule same means automatic range also same only. So when two functions are equal means their domain should be checked, their rule should be checked. Domains are same here. F domain is R to R only, G domain is R to R only. The domains are same. Okay, if the rules are same, directly you can say that they are equal, otherwise they are not equal. Understood? That's why I want to find their rules. Means f circle G of x rule should find, G circle f of x rule should find. If those two rules are same, then I can say that under this condition those two are equal, or I can say that composite function commutative under this situation. Okay, students, listen. First of all, listen. F maps are to, I will explain first of all. F maps A to B in previous example. G map what nana? B to C. Then only G circle F is exist. See here. You need to write like this. Then only G circle F exists. What is G circle F? G circle F is from A to C. From A to C. So this notation is important. This notation is important, nana. F map A to B, nana. G map B to C. So see, the range of F should be a part of domain, like this. The new function exists from A to C. Don't think that F circle G, that one, that G circle F should take care of that. G circle F is from A to C. Okay, now students, listen. F maps R to R, G maps R to R. See, now a new function exists from R to R. What new function? G circle F. G circle F should take care of that. Therefore, G circle F is from R to R. So this R to this R, here all same, no? But like sometimes they A, B, C, like that. So this set to this set. G circle F is R to R. Now I will write here. First I will write G for next function. G is from R to R. F is from R to R. So these two are same. Okay. So new function exists from this R to this R. What is that? F circle G. F circle G is from R to R. Okay. What is the meaning of that? G circle F and F circle G having same domains. F circle G, comma G circle F are having same domain. Okay. If their rules are same, then I can say that the two functions are equal. These two functions are equal with equality. Now you want to find rule. One by one I will find. Observe student, this is interesting. F circle G of X rule I am finding. According to the function composite function definition, circle can be written as F of G of X. You can read as F circle G, nana. How to operate it means under the according definition I can write F of G of X. So G of X function should perform first, nana. G function should perform first after F. F of G of X means what here? 3x plus 1. This is just looking just F of K. F of K means 2K. 2K. K means here 3x plus 1. That is equal 6x plus 2. Okay. Next, G circle F of X rule I want. G circle F rule I want. G circle F of X value I want. According to definition, G of F of X should take a circle means off, just like off. Equal G of, instead of F of X, what I can 2x I can write. This is just like looking G of K. G of K means 3K plus 1. 3K plus 1. K means 2x. What done? 6x plus 1. This is 6x plus 1. This is 6x plus 2. They are not same. They are not same. The domains are same, but rules are not same. I will write it next way. So 6x plus 1 is not equal to 6x plus 2. That is F circle G of X not equal to G circle F of X. The rules are not same, domains are same. So by the definition of equality of functions, equality of functions, by the definition of equality of functions, F circle G is not equal to G circle F. Okay, in other words, as a note, in general, composite functions will not satisfy commutative property. Okay, so this is important. In general, composite function, in general I am saying property in general. Some examples it may be equal, no? From that you can't conclude that it is rule for all functions. In general, composite function will not satisfy commutative property. Okay, students, some example problems. Yeah, first problem, f of x is given, g of x is given, unified G circle f of x. Okay, here I am not finding domains and ranges, Nana. So even though I am not checking for G circle f exist or not, so what I find G circle of means that will exist. Just I want find rule followed by new function G circle f. That's all. Okay. So G circle f of x rule I want. G circle f function rule I want, that is G circle f of x. According definition I can write G of f of x I can write. G into f of x means 1 by x. Feel that this is just like G of L, Nana. G of L. G of L means what? Root over L only. G of 1 means root over 1. G of 2 means root over. Like that, G of L means what? Root over L. Okay. So now what I can write directly, this is equal to root over 1 by x I can write. That is 1 by root x I can write. Okay, provided if f of x should define means x is not equal to 0 only, no. G of x define means x should be greater than 0 only, no. Here also x is not equal to 0, no problem. This G circle f of x I got. Okay, next problem. Next, somewhat interesting. Second problem solution. F circle, only 3 circles. Sometimes they will use 10, 20. If the function circle, f circle something, means that they should follow by logic rule, you need to identify that logic. So here what I can definition, f of f circle f of x I can write. Okay, so let it be equation 1. So first of all I want to find this, none. I will use another color. First of all I will find this, after that I will find this. For example, this is some 3, I can say f of 3 only, no, final one. For example, this is 2x, what is final 2x? F of 2x only, no. That's why I want to find this. That's why I will write f circle f of x I will find. This is nothing but f of x according to the definition. So f of x means what? Oh, sorry. What I can write here? X plus 1 by x minus 1 I can write. So now observe, student, this interesting step here. F of k I want, f of k. What? Feel that this total k. F of k means what? K plus 1 by k minus 1 only. K plus k means this one. K plus 1 by k minus 1. Okay, so actually is equal to, should write here. Now I want to simplify this now. So x plus 1 plus x minus 1 by x minus 1. X plus 1 minus x plus 1 by x minus 1. Clearly given x is not equal to 1, I can cancel these two. So here 1 get cancelled, 2x by x, 2 by 2, totally x. What I got, this is x, this is also x only. So I will write in next page. So 1 gives what, Nana? F circle f of x means f circle f of x only. Just now you got this is x. So how means say this is 2. From 2 I can say. From 2. What is f of x, Nana? X, what is f of x? What is that? X plus 1 by x minus 1. X plus 1 by. This is the answer for the problem. Observe, Nana. How many circles here? 2 circles. F. I got f of x. You take f, then I think you will get x. Even number of f's means you are getting x. No, here. Odd number of again the same function you are getting. So what I can conclude for this problem, especially don't conclude that for every function. For this function, what is the conclusion? f circle, 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 f given, for example x, for example x equal to dash. It may be x or it may be f of x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even member is x. Or one more circle is given. What is this? Means I can say f of x. Or that is x plus 1 by x minus. Okay, this type of problems are important, logical problems. Okay. Students, next problem, important model this are also. F of x is given. Then show that f circle f inverse of x equal to x. Interesting. F circle f inverse function should find first. After that, what is the rule followed by that I can find. F inverse f circle means first of all f circle function not given here, only f function is given. In previous problem, f of x function is rule given, g function rule is given. We need to find f circle g function rule or g circle f function rule. Means if you know this rule you can find rule of f circle g and g circle f. But what is given? Only rule of f is given, rule of f inverse not given. First of all you want to find what the rule followed by inverse of this function. Already several times I explained how to find rule for f inverse of x. Actually, for essay type question, we need to examine whether f inverse exists or not. For this type short answer type question, directly you assume that f inverse exists, then after you can find a rule for f inverse of x. Okay. To find f inverse of x, let y is equal to f of x. Means what the meaning? Y is the image of x. Here, this is x, this is y. Y is the image of under the function f. Okay. So what you called here, y is called image of. What you called x, pre-image of y or inverse image of y with respect to x. That's why I can write what I can write, x equal to f inverse of y. Okay. So I already explained how to find inverse rule. No, you want to make x as subject. Y is equal to f of x means what? X minus 1 by x plus 1. By using this rule, you want to make x as subject. So yx plus y equal to x minus 1. Okay. So y plus 1 equal to x minus yx, or y plus 1 by 1 minus y equal to x. I will write here x equal to what I got, 1 plus y by 1 minus y. So x means what, nana? I want to use another color. X means what, nana? This one. What? F inverse of y. F inverse of y, sorry, not good, this one, wait. Yeah, f inverse of y equal to 1 plus y by 1 minus y. Here y is just like dummy variable only. Instead of y, anything I can write. X I can write, y I can write, k I can write, whatever it may be. But he is asking x, that's why f inverse of x I will write. F inverse of x equal 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Now we have the rule for f inverse of x. Now we have the rule for f of x. Now everything, anything you can find. So I will write in next page. F of x equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1. So what I got f inverse of x, I will write 1 plus x by 1 minus x. 1 plus x by 1 minus x. I want cross check. Yeah, 1 plus x by 1 minus x. What do you want? Yeah, f circle f inverse of x. According to the definition, I can write f of f inverse of x. So f inverse of x rule you should write here. Yeah, now this is just like f of k, nana, f of k. Feel that this total is k, nana. F of k means what? In this rule, instead of x, you need to write k. K minus 1 by k plus 1. K means what? 1 plus x by 1 minus x only, no? So in the function of f of x, instead of x, what should write? 1 plus x by 1 minus x minus 1. Instead of this, by, instead of this x, what I can write? 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus 1. Now we need to simplify. Here LCM is 1 minus x. 1 plus x minus 1 plus x. Total by 1 minus x LCM. 1 plus x plus 1 minus x. This get cancelled. Here 1 get cancelled. Here x get cancelled. 2x by 2, that is equal x. So finally what I got? F circle f inverse of x equal to x. hence proved. Student, this is important concept of composite function, difficult also. So okay, students, next example 3, f of x, g of x, h of 3 functions are given. We want to find the composite of these 3 functions. So rule to find the composite of these 3 functions named by g circle, f circle, g circle, h. Okay, just f circle, g circle, h of x. According to definition, I can remove circle should remove from left to right. Nana first g circle h of x. Yeah, this is cell number 1. What should do, Nana? We need to find what is the rule followed by this function. First of all, should find g circle h of x function rule. G circle h of x according to the definition. So g into h of x means 2x. This is just like g of k. G of k means k square, means 2x whole square. That is equal to 4x square. So now I can take first one. F circle g circle h of x equal to f of, instead of this what I can write now, the 4x square I can write. What is in the, this is now, this is in the form of f of k. F of k means 2 only, constant function. So I will change the problem. What is the problem? Just this also 2 only. Just I will write 2x plus 3, no problem. Actually, according to the given problem, f of x 2 means f of 1 or 2, f of 3 2, f of whatever be 2 means f of 4x square also 2 only. Okay, but just I change the problem, no problem. F of k means 2k plus 3, 2k plus 3, that is 8x square plus 3. So this is the rule for the new function, that is called f circle g circle h. Okay, Ranna.